Berberine reduced testosterone by 22% in women with PCOS. Here's what 9 clinical trials actually found. Most PCOS symptoms trace back to one thing: insulin resistance. Excess insulin tells your ovaries to produce more testosterone. That's what drives the acne, the hair changes, the missed periods. Berberine targets that insulin problem directly, through the same pathway as metformin. In a head-to-head trial of 150 women, Berberine matched metformin for ovulation and cycle regularity, while producing greater weight loss. It also raised SHBG, the protein that binds excess testosterone, more effectively than metformin, and it caused fewer stomach problems. But this matters. Berberine works best for insulin-resistant PCOS. If your PCOS is adrenal-driven, Berberine won't address the root cause. Know your subtype before you supplement. 70% of women restored regular cycles in 3 months. Full research breakdown in the article below. YourHealthier.com.